Hi, and welcome to 20831 Southwest Cherry Orchard Place in Sherwood, Oregon. If you haven't seen this before, it's because it's a hidden gem. We're tucked in this really cute private setting. Just beyond the trees though, we are right next to shopping, dining, entertainment, and more. Very walkable yet quiet, peaceful community over here. This townhouse that we have coming on the market is a rare find. It features just over 1,700 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it has a spacious 2-car garage. When you come inside, you're gonna love the floor-to-ceiling windows, and it backs to a really matured landscape setting that adds to the privacy right at home. Take a look.